A powerful winter storm that some in the US have named Stella has been bringing blizzards, intense snowfall across the northeast of the US and eastern Canada. But where does that storm go next? Well, let's take a look at the big picture first of all. Here is that area of low pressure, pretty intense, lots of isobars on the chart, well now to the north of New York. Behind it, we're drawing down some really cold air, which is why we've seen the snow and the ice. Ahead of it, some really quite mild air, and it's that contrast between the cold and the mild that drives the jet stream, that fast-moving ribbon of air high up. Let's strip all that back though and just take a close look at the low pressure system itself. And as we run through time, you can see that the low itself sits around through Wednesday. Another one sort of spawns out of it. That tracks northwards towards Greenland. And then by the time we get to Friday, well, the low pressure system that is currently across the northeast of the US is well away from the UK, up by Iceland. But what is happening with the invigorated jet stream, because of that temperature contrast, we will see wet and windy weather because the jet stream is more energized, pushing its way, streaming across the Atlantic towards the UK. So we can say that here through Friday and the weekend, we are going to see spells of wet and windy weather, fairly typical for March. But the storm itself is staying well away.